everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log into Messenger without Facebook. First of all, open the Messenger app and then tap on the login with email or phone call option. Then you are going to tap login with your email or phone. After that, enter your phone or email and password, confirm your identity and access your chats. This is a very simple way to log into your Messenger account without Facebook. Yes, we are able to do that. Privacy tip: do not log in on public devices. Quick fix: if you forgot your password, tap forgot password and reset it instantly, and that's it.